Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've decided to powder coat a few more things on here. So I'm going to do the valve cover and the cold side of the turbo for now. So I'm going to get those pulled off, all cleaned up, and head over to Devon's again and throw some powder on them.
Fuck yeah, dude. That looks sick.
Alright guys, there it is, all finished up, turned out really good. So these things have a non-replaceable gasket, so it was a little tough to make sure we didn't melt that thing, but it's still there, so should be good to go. So I'm going to throw the rest of this stuff back in the valve cover, then we can throw this turbo back together and see how it looks on the truck. Alright guys, there it is. Looks pretty good, I think. Gave it a little more pop in this engine bay instead of just being all plain. So I'm eventually going to powder coat some more in here, maybe do some black, and see what else I can coat to make it look a little better in here. But for now, that will work. So hope you guys enjoyed the video.